Hello friend, hello friend. This is Hello Wizaad, and here is another cool video on Vertex AI accessing Gemini Pro Vision. Vertex AI offers access to Gemini, a multimodal model from Google DeepMind capable of understanding virtually any input, combining different types of information, and generating almost any output. Prompt and test in Vertex AI with Gemini, using text, images, video, or code. Utilizing Gemini's advanced reasoning and state-of-the-art generation capabilities, developers can try sample prompts for extracting text from images, converting image text to JSON, and even generate answers about uploaded images to build next-gen AI applications. I've created a Python Django code that I am showcasing here, which solves uploaded exam papers in less than 30 seconds. The example tested below is a test on computational mathematics paper. If you like the video, help share it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.